Today we are playing Guess the Shape. Can you guess what shape is in the box before we smash it open? Each time, one of us will smash the mystery box with the hammer. But first, you have to guess the shape before it pops out. Tap the box. Circle. Square. Ready? Tap. Triangle. Ready? Yes. Rectangle. Here we go. Star. Heart. Okay, Maya, your turn. Here we go. Ready, Lily? Let's see. Diamond. Wow, that was fun. How many did you guess right? Let's say them all together. Yeah! Circle, square, triangle, rectangle,
Star,
heart.
oval, diamond.
Great job, you did amazing. Hope you had as much fun as we did. See you next lesson. Bye!
You did amazing today! If you love fun learning, tap subscribe and join our healthy, smart, and happy family. See you in the next video!